aboard the Walt Disney World Monorail system. We're traveling to the Transportation and Ticket Center. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. The spirit of Epcot has guided the design of all 28,000 acres of the Walt Disney World Resort. You'll find the application of leading-edge technology evident throughout as we demonstrate our philosophy. If you can dream it, you can do it. This is the Transportation and Ticket Center. Smoking is not permitted at Walt Disney World theme parks and water parks, except in designated areas. Please consult your guide map or ask a cast member for locations. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely. When the doors open, please exit to the right-hand side of our monorail's forward motion. This monorail will be returning to Epcot. Thank you.
Specifiek voor dat hotel hier.
And I've got a school bus from Sal as well. Don't put your mouth on there, okay?
To those guests who just joined us, welcome. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please.
Nothing on the hotel.
Please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. We're now passing Bay Lake Tower and Disney's Contemporary Resort, a part of the Disney Vacation Club.
I mean, we like to
Stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. If you're exiting, please gather your belongings, watch your head and step, and take small children by the hand. For those of you remaining on board, our next stop is the Transportation and Ticket Center, with continuing service to Disney's Polynesian Village and Grand Floridian Resorts. We are now entering Disney's Contemporary Resort. Our Disney Wilderness Lodge and Disney Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground. If this concludes your visit to the Walt Disney World Resort, we hope you had a wonderful time and return home safely. This is the Transportation and Ticket Center. Our next stop is Disney's Polynesian Resort, with continuing service to Disney. The all-entries ahead and to the right-hand side of our forward motion is Spaceship Earth. This 18-story geosphere marks the entrance to Epcot. The opposite side is the Universe of Energy. Inside you'll find Ellen's Energy Adventure, hosted by Ellen DeGeneres and Bill Nye, the Science Guy. Mission Space is an exhilarating sensory thrill ride that puts you and your flight crew in command of an out-of-this-world mission to Mars. At Test Track, you can experience the exhilaration of test driving a vehicle on the longest and fastest ride ever created for Walt Disney World. Coming into view is World Showcase. Directly across from us on the far shore of the World Showcase Lagoon is our host pavilion, the American Adventure. Those glass pyramids are the gateway to your journey into imagination. Inside, you can explore the creative process with figment. Next is the land, where you can celebrate the Earth's rich diversity. The land is also home to Soarin', a free-flying adventure across natural wonders. Take an undersea journey into the big new world at the seas with Nemo and friends. Afterward, surround yourself with thousands of real sea creatures at the undersea observation deck.
Hello Daisy, how are you today? Very nice, yeah. Where's Donald? Ah, working. He's at home. He just has to do the dishes. Okay. Nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You know, around here, people like to call us Dale, Paulie, and Jason.
Hi, kids!
But since it's the Flower and Garden Festival, they like to call us Petunia, Rosebud, and Weed. But you know, ladies and gentlemen, we like to call ourselves the Epcot Jim and
stomach plummet or slush gusher, but you can't.
Daar gaan we! Ah! Wow, dat is cool! Nou, oké. Wow! Daar gaan we! Wow! Dat is cool! Wow! Oh yeah! Whoa! That's so cool! Whoa! Whoa! Oké! Dus snap ik het. Wow! Zalig! Heel mooi. Oh! Yay! Prachtig! Oh. Wow! Prachtig ding hier. Oh! That's cool. Oh yeah, this was cool. Wow, prachtig.
What place? It's kind of isolated with just like a few people. So. Oh wow, we're way off. Dang, like a derby horse.
You'll be sliding down so
They're shutting it down.
Yeah. Oh! Wow. Whoa! Wow! Look! Whoa! Hola! Yo! Brum, brum, brum. Joeps. En daar gaan we nog een keer. Yep. Oh. Yep. Hey. Daar gaan we nog een keer. Yo! En nog één. Hey! Dat was airtime. En we zijn er. Splash time. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, that's cool.
Welcome back, everyone.
Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! 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 Suches! Ah! Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh! Suches!
Is the best way to get down.
For your safety.
You get down here, you want to put your mat over the edge, you want to have one leg right here, and then you want to push off, and then you go straight on your stomach. Alright? Easiest way.
Whoa! 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 What's up? Yes! Whoa! 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 Ai, 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 ai. Oh! Oh, dat is nog niet. Oh! En toen was ik terug nat. Oké.
Oh.